I started filming.
What up? Welcome back to Eating with Evan. Today I've got this tasty full meal that I'm going to be making. I whipped up these 2 beef patties with ingredients from my own house, and I'm so excited to make them for you today because I'm going to show you a secret ingredient that I like to put in all of my burgers. And so while these are getting prepared, I'm going to show you how to make our secret ingredient that we're going to have with the burger that I like to have with my burgers, which is what I like to do sometimes. So it starts off, you want to have a little bit of ketchup. Just a bit. And then you want a little bit of mustard too, but we don't have mustard, so we're gonna have to substitute it. Oh wait, we have mustard, so you're gonna want to just add. You're gonna want to add a good amount of mustard into it. And now, one thing that I like to do, a little controversial, I like to put soy sauce on mine. It's not for everyone, but I think it's worth trying because, you know, they say variety is the spicy life, and if you want to try some soy sauce, then you try some soy sauce. And speaking of the spicy life, you're going to want to add on, you guessed it, sriracha. And what you're going to want to do next is, you know, what's America's favorite food? Not a hot dog, idiot. It's a cheeseburger. So you're going to want to add on just a little bit of cheese. That's perfect. Now, now that this is all ready to be mixed up, we'll mix it up. Oh, this looks like a treat. Now here, we'll turn on these overhead lights so we can get a better view of it. Oh, that looks like a treat. So, if you see the final product here, you're going to get something that looks a bit like this. And remember, next time you're making your burgers, you can try this recipe, you can put it on the burger, and you can enjoy it just as much as I do. Thanks for tuning into this episode. I hope you like the burgers. I hope you like the sauces. Make sure to always clean all the parts of your kitchen when you're done. And I hope to see you again soon on Eating with Evan.